Alright, so we got a GE washer, and the issue is that the timer knob here is not working. Can't, change the cycle, start a cycle. You can see here this how sloppy it is, how loose it is here. So we're gonna get inside and take a look, see what's going on. To take the control panel off to get inside, we got 4 torque screws at the top to remove. Pull this forward. I'm gonna unplug it. So you can see the timer is mounted to the control panel. It's like two tabs on the right side here that it slides into, and then it's supposed to screw into the control panel here. You can see the plastic on the timer is just broken off, so it no longer attaches and causing it to be all loose and everything. So to fix that properly would be a new timer. Also would go with a new timer knob. To take this timer knob off, there's a clip between the timer skirt and the knob down here. You can get it with a flat blade or maybe a small pair of needle nose. I'm going to try and remove this clip here. So a lot of times you can just pull it off with the clip in place, but this one's on there pretty good. Okay, so there's that clip here that I was talking about, and that goes on and locks into this groove here. So looking at the knob, the gears here on the knob, they're not too bad. And then on the timer itself, they look okay as well. But that's what we need to do to get that stationary again, is the new timer.